What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you the things that we will be slapping on the ray in the next upcoming videos. I've come up with 4 things in the last week that I've really said, hey, that'll probably make this thing look sick and get some videos going. I haven't posted in a while because I've just been brainstorming of things to put on this, trying to get the Baja Ray ready for previous videos, and just coming up with content for this thing. And these new parts are definitely going to get this build going, and I'm super excited for it. And right off the bat, the first part is this low-C light bar. The one that's on it is custom, but the like actual lights on it are discontinued, and like if the light caps or lenses or whatever you want to call them sometimes fall off when you roll a car, and if you're like ripping around in the dunes, or like you're just flinging it in the dirt or something and it rolls and one of those caps come off, you can't always find them, and then you're screwed because then you have open lights. And then so I'm gonna get this light bar because when I put a body on the car too, it'll work with that. And the bigger one, if I do put a body on it, I'll probably have to make a custom mount for it to go in the middle of the car, where like the bars in the middle of like the front go like this to connect to it. But so yeah, I'm gonna be slapping this light bar on. It's super bright, so it works good. It's the one that comes up with this stock. And then the second thing that I'll be slapping on is this thingamabob, huge plastic piece that goes on the back. It changes the wheelbase because when I bought the car, the wheelbase was changed. So I'll have to put this thing on before I do any of like the body or any other metal parts in the rear end, because the wheelbase is changed. So I'll have to get this thing, and then we'll really get this build going. I'm super excited for it. And then the third thing is this Raptor body. It is the Gen 2 Ford Raptor body. And then you're probably wondering, well, what is he gonna paint it? And then I'm going for this kind of rustic look right here. But it won't be just the cab, it'll be the full car, and it'll look like rusty or like kind of old when it is a new car. So that's what I'm excited about. It'll look older when it's a new Raptor, and this thing will look super sick once I get the wheelbase changed. Then we can really start getting some other stuff on this car. I might get some aluminum shocks or aluminum A-arms for this, so we can just get it super strong. And then there is another guy on Instagram that makes other metal parts for this thing that are custom. His name is JFab, and he makes other custom stuff for this besides a full cage, which are usually can range from $300 to $600 depending on what you're doing. So maybe get one of those on the Ray, and then try and make this thing as strong and as cool and as pretty as possible. So yeah, I'm super excited to get some videos going on this build, and I hope you guys are excited to see some more videos on this thing too. This is probably one of my favorite cars that I've had, and I'm super excited, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.